Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It's Monday morning right now. It is 8:24 a.m. or 8:25 a.m. and I wanted to get ready because I have to run out the door. If you are new here, my name is Serena and today I'm going to be doing a Glossier try on. I was watching the Glossier reviews and stuff online because I was really curious about the brand. It is summer right now. We are in July. It's July 1st. I have been looking my whole life for a summer foundation routine, not like a foundation routine but like a summer makeup routine to where it is like no fuss, you know, just something light. When I am at work and stuff, I don't necessarily want to be like full glam, but then I don't want to look like this and look like I just rolled out of bed, even though like people will be like, oh, you look fine or whatever, blemishes and stuff like that are normal. That's true, but sometimes you just want to feel, you know, awake, livened up, put a little blush on. I'm going to put on the products that I got. At first I didn't believe the whole hype and stuff until I started looking at a lot of reviews. Like, I don't know if you guys are like me, but anytime I'm thinking about purchasing something, I watch like 10 reviews before I even make my decision. So all of the reviews were fairly positive and it got me really curious, and I purchased all this stuff myself. None of it was sent to me or anything like that. The only thing that I didn't purchase was the priming moisturizer, and I had a few samples of this in my order because I ordered like 2 different orders, and now that I've tried it, I'm going to purchase it because it works really well with like the skin tint and stuff. It doesn't feel heavy, it feels really light. All these products feel really light. You'll see in just a second. So first I'm going to prime with the priming moisturizer. Now I'm going to use the Glossier Skin Tint, and this is in the shade G9. It says G9 on the packaging, but when I looked it up online, it was like medium warm. And I'm going to give it a good shake. And I'm going to use this brush. Like I said, I've used a lot of skin tints in my day, and this was with, I believe, like the Complexion Rescue kit that I had bought, and that skin tint didn't work good on me. I tried the It Cosmetics skin tint, and it just felt real balmy and it didn't dry down and it was itchy, so that was a fail. And if you can see, like, it's so light coverage, it barely covers anything, but it actually covers redness and imperfections. And then I'm gonna go in with their concealer and you'll see that too, and it just like really gives me the coverage that I need for like my day-to-day stuff. Now obviously if I was going somewhere and I was planning on like going out to like a birthday party or like a dinner or something, I definitely would not wear this. You can also get a little bit more coverage with the beauty sponge. And I love how it like still like maintains that like skin like texture, and it doesn't look like, you know, some skin tints, they're so thick that they'll just slide right off your face, and this one just like dries beautifully, like it looks like your skin. Now I'm going to go in with their stretch concealer, and this is the same shade as my skin tint, and I'm just going to use my finger. And that's another thing, they said that you can use the skin tint, like I guess you're supposed to use the skin tint with your fingers. I'm wearing white right now, so I didn't want to, you know, do all that, but it does work really well with your fingers. And like it just disappears. It gives you just a tad bit of coverage, but not enough to where you look like you're wearing makeup, and it just disappears right into your skin. I think this concealer like really shines when you put it under your eyes. Not like shines, but like it's best used under your eyes because it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't crease, it just looks beautiful. Now I'm just gonna blend out with my sponge. There's no more product on this, I'm just blending. There's no need to like put any powders on or anything while you're doing your other stuff. At the end, like towards the end when I'm getting ready to leave and stuff, I'll lightly dust with some Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish if I need to, but I really like the way it gives you like that glowing, like sweating, healthy glow. It's just really pretty. I cannot explain it. I know I look really shiny right now, but it does kind of settle down a little bit. This is their Cloud Paint Seamless Cheek Color, and this is in the shade Beam. A little bit goes a really long way, so I'm just going to put like that much on my hand, and I'm going to use my fingers to apply this. And I'm just going to pat this into my skin. Before this product, I've always thought cream blushes are really scary because you can like definitely deposit too much color onto your face and there's no turning back. But these are so like seamless and just really light that it doesn't look bad. Like sometimes I'll even go in and put a little bit like on my nose and then like right here on my chin just to like look like, oh, I've been out in the sun, you know? And it doesn't look bad. It's so weird. And I like to put a little bit on my eyes just because it gives me like a little color right there. It's just like the craziest thing because I put it on, you guys see me put it on, and it added color, but it doesn't look crazy, and I still don't look like I have much makeup on, which is amazing, but I don't know how they do it. And you can see like it added color, but like the finish of my skin still looks like skin, and you can't really tell that I have like a skin tint, a concealer, and a blush on. You can still see like imperfections and stuff, which I'm fine with. I'm totally fine with. The thing that bothers me in the morning and like if I don't have anything on my face is that like tired like pale look. This is their haloscope, and this is their like highlighting stick. I got the color Topaz. I definitely want to get the other shades. And it's so fine that it's not glittery, which is amazing because I hate like a glittery highlight if I don't have that much makeup on. It just looks funny. But this one just looks, oh, I can't even explain it. And I'm just going to put it on the high points of my cheeks where I would usually highlight. And because Topaz is like a goldy shade, like I put this everywhere. Put it everywhere and it just gives me some color, almost like a little like bronzed color. Put some on my nose. And you can definitely go in with like this stick. I just like to warm it up on my fingers and apply it like that. I'm gonna put some on my brow bone, in my eyes. Literally, I'll apply this everywhere. It's bouncing off of the light. Like you can definitely see a highlight. Like literally, you can see my ring light. So it's doing something, but it's doing it in like a way where it's so subtle and it looks natural. It's just amazing. Again, it's amazing. So this is with the highlighter on, and it's so crazy because it looks honestly like I just got done running on the treadmill, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because I feel like it just looks really healthy. I love it. Like honestly, I love it. This is what I've been wanting in a skin tint light makeup routine literally my whole life since I've been wearing makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with their Generation lipstick. I think it's like, oh, Generation G lipstick, and this is in the shade Like. And this isn't really like a lipstick, it's like a lip tint. It looks dark, but it's not dark. It's just, it gives you like just a light tint. So this is Like. And see, it just looks better. It looks like more uniformed color, but it doesn't look like a lip color that I'm wearing, like a liquid lipstick or something thick or glossy. It just looks very natural. Last but most definitely not least, this is my new favorite product. This is the one that everybody raves about. When I got it, I was like, oh my god, it's here. And it's just like this little tube. It's hilarious. But this is Boy Brow. I got this in the shade Brown, and it really does give you that hold you need for your brows. I have hair in my brows, so if I put any pencil in or anything like that, they just look overdone. So this is amazing because it deposits color but not too much color. And it's not like a reddish brown or like a grayish brown. You know, sometimes you can get like a pen or like an ink brow pen, a pomade or something, and it's just not the right brown. This is the perfect brown, like a natural brown, and it just looks, I'll show you. Do it to where I'm in frame. And see, I have like kind of like a sparse area right there. So I'm just gonna fill that in with this and like comb them up. So yeah, that completes my summer go-to light glam look. I definitely feel like it gives me that coverage, that shine, that glow that I need to feel confident throughout the day without having to put like a full face of makeup on. Full coverage queen over here, but sometimes I just do not want it at all. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you have tried any of the other Glossier products or skincare or anything like that and you've had a good experience or even a bad experience, put it in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my videos. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.